Not kidding.
Ntabwo ndimo nakina mwana. Fata kadenezo kiragura kigo nyipfa mu muhanda wote. Gereka abantu bakuru baceho. Cyo ni gifunga mutwe. Yewe kavuze induru. Nikabangeneze kadenezo. Nikadenezo mama shenge.
Stay.
Hagarara hamwe. Cyara ko ntakabwira ngo yicare ku ruhande. Ufite amategeko ukagenderaho.
No, stay.
Nakubwiye guma hamwe. Kagume hamwe nikagenda.
Hey, I'm coming back.
Ndagaruka mu nyuma byose ni okay. Jack. Naje. Yaje. Ye uransize bo. Kagetse disikare wakabyaye burya ikintu cyose iyo kiputse maso yawe kikiri gito. Yeah. Vuba nabinginze.
I'm not feeling too well.
Numva nameze neza mama.
We're fine 5 minutes ago.
Urabizi iminota 5 iciyeho wari umeze neza.
I know.
None iminota 5 iciye akakanye nibwo wabubuye n'ikibazo.
I just started feeling bad.
Numva nameze neza mama.
Maybe I should stay home.
Nyine kuba naba ndi mu rugo niba bishobotse naba ndi mu rugo nagiye ahantu.
So I can't go.
Kuri nyine numva ahantu najya.
You go where I tell you to go.
Nakubwiye turagenda.
Hurry up, I'll be late.
Ahubwo tugera mu winjira mu modoka nakererewe. Kira mu modoka. Bana bikiye babaye mutinige ashaka kujya kwiga. Sasa hako no kadenezoro turi gukari yuburura. Hari ukuntu gahindo ntabwo bibonye. Kari yuburura we. Tu urebe. Karongera gahinduka umutuku. Kubera ko denezoro gira kuryo do. Kari yuburura. Ya kuryo do, kari kurunguruka mugera aho kuryo do. Cyari itsema yena. Kuri mu bitari kuri mu biki. Mama nawe ngutegereza. Urabona sasa.
You're going.
Cyehe. Cyara musezere.
You're in deep trouble, young man.
Ye kuyinjye mu bibazo umusore. Ayaya.
Morning everyone.
Gitondo kiza burumwe.
Good morning.
Gitondo kiza.
Epidemiologist with the
Sasanga EPA.
EPA. Now I've been tasked with the investigation
Sasa akoranga bakomeje ko bakora iperereza
of a possible disease cluster here in Brightwood.
Brightwood ni gitoro cyo ni kitakira kono.
Now please
turabinginze mutuze turabizi.
Answers and I'm
Mwabizi mufite ibibazo
here to find those answers.
Ari kuri ndi hano kugira ngo sasa tuba twashaka umuti w'ibyo bibazo. Sasa kono tugaruke kuri noza. Magnesi ahiri. Kiragurika itangira gutembera inyubako. Magnesi itangira gutembera inyubako ni Denezoro.
Couple of nights back,
Urabizi sasa hakuno hari ibyo twabonye mu gidasanzwe.
me and Will, we were fishing,
Ubundi twebwe sasa hakuno turi hano nk'abarobyi.
and
Ariko
we caught some.
ariko hari twafashe kidasanzwe. Sasa ni kazuko na ibere hari kidasanzwe twafashe
Me
kidasanzwe.
and Will, we were fishing,
Ubundi twe turi abarobyi turaroba hari ikintu twarobye.
and
Ariko mu kuroba
we caught something.
hari icyo twafashe kidasanzwe.
A monster.
Ni inyamaswa twafashe. Uko bavuga inyamaswa imbere na kazungu hakuno ni inyamaswa hakuno yagaragaye. Bisa nkaho satani ko yeremeye kuba inyamaswa du. Yaje ku isi yaba n'abantu Denezoro. Inyamaswa zari zaracitse. Bana bonye baziremye basigaruye. Yewe abana b'abantu ni hatari. Inyamaswa zirakura sha ku buryo ishobora kurya nk'umujyi wose wa Kigali kabumara. Ubundi kano cyane Colonel.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Bagore namwe bagabo.
my name is Colonel
Yewe urahangaha ni Colonel
Douglas Roderick. I'm in command
Douglas Rodrick.
of operations
Yewe sanga ni komanda wa operasiyo
at Fort Bright.
uwo muri iki gitore Breakthrough. Sasa ko byatangiye kugafata. Umva wa muginga we. Gira gutya dore ngo karakomanukira. Komanukira butosho. Yewe. Parikingi banzisa. Yeah. Kamagnis.
The military is
Igisirikare
here to protect and serve.
kiri hano kugira kubw'umutekano wanyu. Nk'abasirikare turi hano kubw'umutekano wanyu.
We are committed to working with the EPA.
Sasa tukomeje kuba twakora na EPA. Yewe ndo n'umwanda. Ari cyo tugira ngo tukobaze. Ngo ari ibinyamaswa byamanukiye isi. Bagira ngo menye byamanukiye isi ibinyamaswa. Hari inyamaswa idasanzwe twabonye.
Brightwood.
Baturage muri Brightwood.
Imagination is a wonderful thing.
ibyo ngibyo bisa nkaho sasa ari ibintu abantu bitekereza bidasanzwe ni ibintu bitekereza happy ntabwo ari intekerezo ni ibintu bibaho
Love to believe in mythical monsters.
none namwe mutangiye kwizera muri ibyo ko ari inyamaswa
No mythical monster.
ntabwo ari inyamaswa isanzwe ariko
Right here.
turabifite hakuno urumva icyo twarajye turagifite hakuno kugira ngo mubyemere ko atari inyamaswa isanzwe twarakibonye kureba sasa nicyo bakuyemo mureba we abantu barikanga ureba hakurikira hakuno aho hakuno akanyagado kabaye gakubaganya yewe
Gentlemen,
bagwaye namwe abagabo
that's a catfish.
kimwe kibagaragara sasa kari catfish
Catfish?
catfish
That ain't no catfish.
iyo ntabwo ari catfish ni ubwoko bw'amafi ntabwo ari ifi iyi ngiyi isanzwe
Flapping around and changing all kinds of colors.
ikirangacyo gihindura amabara yacyo ntabwo ifi gihindura amabara yacyo ariko ikirangacyo gihindura amabara kiriyuburura
That ain't no catfish.
iyo ntabwo ari catfish ntabwo ari ifi
That one was flapping around and changing.
iki ngiki buri mwanya gihora gihindura amabara yacyo
It was super weird.
biragaragara none ko ari ikintu kidasanzwe ari kidasanzwe
Super weird.
iyo kuko kira ntabwo gisanzwe
Them in a way for testing.
umva sasa rero turetse kuba twavugana sasa na polisi turi ko twakora ubushakashatsi tumenye ikintu icyo ari cyo
Of course, Doctor.
hamagara sasa no kubwira ikintu abadogiteri icyo kintu baje kuba bamenye icyo ari cyo
Hey, no, wait a second. I want to sell that on eBay.
barakijyanye
You please call me if you see anything like this again.
sasa hako ntagira ikindi kintu mudasanzwe mubona muzahamagare abahereza business card
Hey, Abby.
yewe
Oh,
abi
my name is Emery.
sasa uranga hawe ni Emery
Hey, Jake.
ndetse na Jenke
Tansy, Jennifer Emery from
sasa ngiye banyita sasa Jennifer Emery
the clinic.
ndo nkaba ndi umuganga nkaba sasa nkora kuri kara akanoza akavuriro kegerana hafi yawe
Actually, we're neighbors.
kandi n'umuturanyi wawe
I'm so relieved you're actually here.
bisanzwe muri cyo turegeranye cyane
Jennifer,
yewe Jennifer rero
look, can we chat later?
birasa nkaho twakererewe dufite kuba twagenda mfite kuba nagenda Jennifer kurana yewe akareba kuno yewe gashaka no kurisha ni kadenazoro yewe gira gutya karamanuka
You're spotless.
parikingi zabaye nabi zabaye mbi kumeze ngo kamaka Magnus ahita agatsimba naragira ngo bakabona kwa Magnus aragatsimba Magnus
You kidding me?
ntago ndimo nakina apfura koro cya televiziyo uzakora
Michael Emery, this house looks like a crime scene.
izo ndi hakuno wagira ngo habiremo ibyaha wagira ngo bakuremo ibyaha tugiye papa
They took that thing those fishermen caught. Why?
That's what I want to know.
Dad,
papa
Stay in the car.
wowe guma mu modoka mwana nta bibazo byinshi guma mu modoka sasa hakuno bisa nkaho bakurikiye kano bisa nkaho bakurikiye kano Rone
Dr. Tansy,
sasa hakuno Tansy
we lost. Can I help you with
bisa nkaho wibuze
something?
hari ikidasanzwe nagufasha na
Miss-
rero kano
Communication back there.
Brightwood ni igiturage
Looks like a storm's coming, Fred.
birasa nkaho sasa umeze nka serwakira birasa nka serwakira icya kano ruhande icya kano
what's all that about?
yavugaga ibiki
Dad,
Give me your phone.
ima telefone yawe mwana wanjye
Abby, phone.
abi ima telefone yawe
Abigail, you promised me that you'll leave your
waransezeranyije
location service.
utazigera ukoraho sasa ibyerekezo cyangwa kimwe ahantu uri ukaba urimo ufite nka telefone ukagaragaza icyerekezo umuntu yaba kubuza ukamenya ahantu uri
Have your phone with you at all.
wasezeranyije ko nta mwanya n'umwe uzigera ubikora
Promise me.
abi nsezeranya
okay, I promise.
nagusezeranyije ko uzigera kuba nakora location
On.
No.
papa mbwira ikinyambere nanjye ntabwo mbizi
Thing. That sure as hell wasn't a catfish.
ndabizi neza sasa iriya ntabwo ari ifi isanzwe bafite iriya ntabwo ari ifi isanzwe ni ikintu kidasanzwe
Vocal commands, such as good boy. Show your pet that you're pleased with him.
ku ruhande katangiye kuvunja
No.
imana utaruka mwana katangiye kuvunja kagiye kuruka byanga byakunda tu kagiye kuvunja kuba dore akantu karakura umwanya muto cyane tu yewe dore ngo kirakura karabaye dore ngo kirakura dinezoro ikura mu mwanya muto cyane yatangiye gukura mu mwanya muto cyane dinezoro
Hey, Jake, what's up? Where's your
nicyo mwana
The camera's dead.
sasa bisa nkaho kamera yapfuye
We're going back to the forest.
none tugiye kuba twasubira mu ishyamba
You gotta come with.
turagenda nawe mwana basubire mu ishyamba
Okay,
dude, chill.
Charles, I gotta go.
Charles, mwana bereke mwana. Charles oromuhamagaye. Kugira kugira ngo amafaranga kuri YouTube. Yeah. Ukamena yapfuye.
Hi.
Yewe bite.
Hey.
Yewe.
Hey.
None.
So, science project with
Sasa kurenje ko bakomeza kuba wa mushinga wabo.
research stuff?
Oh, no.
Yewe.
No, I can't.
Nago byako. Usomeze neza.
I'm fine.
Meze neza nari bito.
What was that?
What?
None.
Oh, the huge crash that just came
Ndumva bisa nkaho sasa rikiri gusunika.
from your house?
Bisa nkaho ari kandi ibyo byo gusunika ariko mva by'urusaku biri guturuka mu nyubako aho ngaho.
Nothing.
Nacyo irimo.
Gotta go.
Sasa rero.
Bye.
Bye.
Jake?
Yewe Jake. Kumbe Jake mu nyubako afite ikidasanzwe kirimo. Tamo Denisoro Jake.
Hello?
Yewe. Yabuze kera. Jake afite Denisoro. Jake.
Here.
What's going on?
You have to swear not to tell.
Tell what?
Just swear.
Listen,
Swear.
Okay, I swear.
It's okay, he won't hurt you.
Sasa rero hakuno ntabwo cyankwabaza nta n'imiri ryacyo yagiye kumeka ka Magnus yikanzemo.
It's okay, he won't hurt you.
Ntabwo yakubabaza.
Whoa.
Magnus urukundo ugira gutya kwihinduranya do.
Here's the thing. You know a little science experiment?
Sasa bisa nkaho sasa ni bya bindi twavanze
Doing chemical
analysis za kimiko
stuff.
bimwe na bivanga none hakuno dore cyavuyemo.
Something happened?
None ikidasanzwe cyabaye do. Shaza kuvuga uyu byaba bintu twavanze byose byandi twavanye mu mashyamba narabizanye hakuno gira ibyo bivanga za kimiko zimwe na zimwe none dore byavuyemo.
You gotta show my dad.
No.
Dufite kubyereka data. Oya.
No way.
Oya nta bundi buryo twabyereka data.
You can't. No one can know about it. They'll take it away and they'll do tests on it.
Niba arimo kubimenya bazagira umukuru isuzuma mukuru bya test ibintu ngibyo bazamutesha agaciro.
But you don't know what it is.
None wabuze iki?
It might be dangerous.
Bisa nkaho sasa kizaba kibi.
Look at him.
Mureba neza Magnus.
Does he look dangerous?
Urabona agaragara nkaho ari mubi. Ari se kibi. Karareba desi ni keza ni ka Magnus kifite agasoro nk'akazungu desi nari biryako.
He is kind of cute.
Yewe agaragara dize kari ikintu cyiza. Ni cyiza kirashimishije.
Well, little guy.
Yewe gasore gato.
Looks like you just became our research project.
Yewe uyu ni umushinga wacu kweri. Yewe dore ni ikiviriyemo. Mwana yagise Magnus kandi Denisoro. Sasa hakuno hari igikomeje kugenda gishushanya. Hakuno hari byakanagiye do. Hari byakanagiye bidasanzwe. Kwanya polisi yumvise polisi. Kumbe kugira hakuno njugunye sasa hakuno do. Ibinyamaswa bikomeje kwirema. Hari kiri inyamaswa cyapuyemo do. Inyamaswa ziri kwirema cyacyo tudasanzwe tuzi. Sasa hakuno hari polisi yakoze ku ruhande kugira filime. Polisi Fandi yageze ku ruhande.
Andrew, I'm just here trying to do
Here, officer.
Gentlemen, what's the nature of the military presence here?
Here, officer.
Every day. Yeah.
Really a civilian matter. Mind telling me what's going on?
Of course.
Commander, I'm just here trying to do my job.
It's Colonel. Take it from here, Officer
Faraday.
Faraday.
Keep up the good work, officer.
Komeza ukora akazi kawe kandi ugakore neza.
Where's Mom?
Mama ari he? Ndimwita yose kandi. Yeah. Mbana uhari yagiye mu kazi. Saza kuwane hari wakomanze. Bajye kureba uko mangu wari we.
Man.
Yewe.
Mom's gonna be pissed.
Kaje kukureba gutya.
Who are they from?
Yaza munani. Zindabyo zo ziri na Friday. Friday niyo wabizisanye zindabyo. Gira gutya zijugunya hasi. Bijya muri pupere birabyo uri amagabo. Ifande wahaye mama indabyo.
Stitches get stitches.
Sasa hakuno ngiko kwamenye imbigi mwana. Joy. Nindara.
Later, dork.
Yanze kwiga. Icyo fata sana byo zishize muri pupere. Azeza ntakono. Hari wakomanze.
Oh, hey.
Yewe. Komea kwenye ule katenezo. Yewe, kare gukura vuba.
Grown a lot.
Yewe kare gukura birenze kabisa.
I've been thinking about what he might be.
Sasa zinza nabyo gatangira kuzirya kuko byose kararya.
My dad gave it to
Bare
us.
mu gitabo sasa bamenye ituko karya kukabaho kira kitu cyose bamenye ibyerekeye n'amafi.
He's a fish.
Yeah.
But the thing is,
Ntabwo nigeze ko sasa yakaba kerekeye n'amafi.
fisherman caught had a sail
Sasa kidasanzwe bafashe ngo ni ifi.
like Magnus.
Ariko namwe cyenda komera nganosa nka Magnus.
And they said it changed color and stuff.
Kubera ko nacyo gihindura amabara yacyo.
We gotta start somewhere, I guess.
Gihindura amabara yacyo.
Hey!
Akira ngo gihindura amabara yacyo kandi twumvaje ko bavuze kazungu na Iberi. Sasa kono bakaka igitabo. Yeah. Yewe. Yewe.
That's it.
Woyicara hamwe byihorere. Gira gutya karakobagana yewe. Twaza gake. Magnus kugira ngo nayo dotisi Magnus na biryayo hakuno. Sasa dogiteri we yakomeje kuri ubushakashatsi ku giti cyiwe. Ni doctor. Dogiteri akomeje kuri ubushakashatsi amenye ibijya mbere hakuno. Yashakuno. Hari utunyamaswa turi kwiremarema. Tuje akanyamaswa gashira hakuno. Bisa nk'aho ari inyamaswa zindi ziri kwiremarema. Zindi nyamaswa zitazwi n'abantu ziri kwiremarema. Inyamaswa ziba zarabayeho kera habaye ugasanga zirongeye zibayeho. Inyamaswa ziba zarabaye kera kongera ugasanga ziriremye. Akiri muri ibyo.
Hi, this is Fred Tansey. Can you put me through to Special Agent Martin?
Sasa kuhande ibisa nk'aho dogiteri yakurikiye. Hari igihe ngo bari shoko barimo.
Where?
Yeah. Kuhande n'ibyo hakurya hari imodoka yabonye idasanzwe. Iri kugenda mu mashyamba. Hey!
This is Fred Tansey. Can you
Yewe ni Fred turi tukuvugana.
put me through to Special
Sasa hakuno bidasanzwe biri kuba bya hakuno byihutirwa cyane. Yaranaboye kuri police Fred yabona n'umupolisi.
Where?
Hese. Yeah.
Okay, listen.
Agiye kunyumva.
Let him know I found something at Brightwood.
Sasa bisa ngo sasa hari ikidasanzwe bashiko nabona. Kiri ko muri iki gitoro cya Brightwood. Yamenyesheje police, amenyesha Friday. Yeah, hari ikidasanzwe.
Fred, it's
Yewe Fred.
Jennifer Emery.
Uvugana Jennifer Emery.
Please call me urgently.
Nakwinjiza amagara kuri telefone yanjye byihutirwa amagara kuri telefone yanjye byihutirwa amagara Fandi. We na Fandi ngo ari ukuntu gutya.
Fred?
Yewe Fred.
No.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay?
Bimeze neza se?
Mike's not in trouble again, is he?
Igihugu cyaje kijya mu bibazo nanone.
No, nothing like that.
Oya ntago ari ikintu byinaho bihuriye nanone.
I could cope
Siko
with
mbitekereza ariko
Could you cope with dinner?
Usasa byashoboka sasa aramutumira ngo mbese kuba basangira agafunguro ka kumugoroba.
Tomorrow night?
Ejo cyangwa ku mugoroba bimeze bite?
That'd be nice.
Tomorrow night? Say
Ejo ku mugoroba.
7?
Yeah,
Sibyo?
that'd be nice.
Yewe ndumva rwose ari agatangaza. Araze gusohokana na Fandi. Friday.
What's with the pictures?
Se amafoto nayiki?
Oh,
yewe amafoto ari akuro rero.
I don't know. I guess they just
Ntabwo ariko ngewe amafoto.
remind me of old times with Dad.
Atuma nibuka sasa ibihe nagiranye na data, ibihe byaciyeho. Anyibutsa data. Mbese nagiranye na data.
I want things to change.
So simbizi neza ikintu cyahindura.
What are his other characteristics? Maybe do a search for camouflage.
Sorry.
Babarire. Gira gutya bafasheho. Wihangane. Gira gutya.
Jake,
Yewe Jake.
he doesn't look so good.
Reba hakuno dusukurikirwa cya Magnus. Gira gutya Magnus arukuru gira gutya.
I forgot to mention something.
Hari ikintu gibishwe nakubwira.
Mention what?
Iki kandi mbwira icyo wagiye kwambwira. Gira gutya kirakura we.
Dad.
Yewe data we.
Feet.
Reba
Jake,
kuri ibintu bingana Check.
Come here, Magnus.
Kiri ubururu. Urabona Magnus hakuno?
Jake,
Jake.
how do you forget to mention something like that?
Ntabwo wigeze umbwira ko kimeze gutyo ujye ukora kingana mu mwanya muto cyane. Kiraza kuza kuba kinini birenze. Ntabwo wabimbwiye.
He's gonna be huge.
Kiraza kuza kuba kinini cyane birenze. Karabaye.
We got a problem.
Bigiye kubibaza mwana.
We gotta show my dad.
Reka tubyereke data.
Oh, you can't.
Oya ariko reka urabizi ntabwo byashoboka kandi nsezeranyije.
At this rate,
Ntabwo twabyereka data. Urabona hakuno Jake rero.
he won't even fit in
Bishobora kuza kuba kinini cyane.
your house.
I'll
Uburyo
move
kitakwirwa muri iyi nzu.
him. I'll move to
Naza
the
kukimbura.
garage. He'll be
Nanagitwara nkagenda mu igaraje.
fine. Dude,
Ndabizi kiraza kuba cyamera neza.
I see this. What
None
are
niba
you
hakuna
doing?
imyambaro hakuno. Nukuri icyo hakuno ku kandi. Ubu n'abandi bana barakibona.
Guys, it's okay. Calm down.
Utuze mwana.
Won't hurt you.
Nta kintu yabaza Magnus.
Crap! It's an alien. I mean,
Kino ni cyo alien mwari kiva hejuru.
extraterrestrial. Not an alien.
Ntabwo ari alien.
Sit.
Mutuze.
Looks like the cat's out of the bag.
Sasa iyo birasa nkaho ari igipusi cyavuye mu gikapu.
Somehow I don't think it's a cat.
Ntabwo nyine kiza ko ari ipusi.
It's a figure of speech. I don't think it's one of those either. Guys, it's okay.
Mutuze mwana.
Meet Magnus.
Muhure na Magnus.
That thing has a name?
Listen,
Utari izina mwana.
you can't tell anyone, okay?
Ntabwo n'umutuku wa mwabibwira n'umwe.
Kidding me? This is
Urimo uradukinisha mwana.
the find of the century.
Mwana iki kintu kigaragaye muri iki kinyejana mwana.
Charles, I'm serious.
I am too. Wait till I post this.
Mwana kahita gipostinga mwana kuri nosa kuri za wasutwa mwana gipostinga.
Do you ever listen to
Yuba witonda mwana Charles.
Hell, Jake!
Go home. You're not
Mujye mu rugo.
filming
Are
it.
you kidding me? This is worth a fortune.
As a friend, I'm asking you
Umva mwana niba ari inshuti nakubaza mwana ngugera mu rugo.
home.
You know what,
Niba uri inshuti yanjye ndagusaba ujye mu rugo.
Jake? I'm
Mwana
not
urabizi mwana Jake.
sure that we really are
Ntabwo
friends.
turi inshuti zanjye zo mwana.
Friends tell each other
Ni
things,
gute niba turi inshuti?
and friends don't keep messing.
Tumenyeshe ikinagazi kiri hakuno mwana. Niba turi inshuti wakwe tumenyeshe ikinagazi kiri hakuno.
I knew you'd do this. All you care about is your stupid channel.
Nose mwana wowe ntabwo urimo kuti wakora ibi urabizi ukora bya cano by'umugore byawe wirya ukora bya cano ngo uzakora amafaranga.
Oh, you
Yeah.
about your stupid
None ntabwo mwana kino gikorwa cy'inshuti yawe.
girlfriend!
Arizo ziri inshuti zawe mwana.
My stupid girlfriend.
Ntabwo ari igikorwa cy'inshuti yanjye. Ntabwo ari igikorwa cy'inshuti yanjye.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Twigendere mwana igikorwa ari igikorwa cy'inshuti yiwe cy'umukobwa. Mugisha n'ikiwe cy'ikigo kiri hakuno. Sasa hakuno barashwanye mwana nari bimwe.
That guy.
Mwana nawe urabyizeye mwana.
I gotta go.
Yewe nanjye mfite kuba nagenda mwana. Nari bimwe kaza n'agakobwa k'iwe baratonganye kurona inshuti ziwe. Baratonganye mbegenze neza.
You're Magnus.
Ngwino hano hata Magnus. Ngwino hakuno. Magnus yicara hakuno. Yeah. Inshuti zitangiye kumenya ko Magnus ari hakuno. Hari ikidasanzwe baremye.
Dad, I have to tell you something.
Sasa data hari icyo ngira ngo nkubwire.
What's that?
Ibi ni biki papa? What that?
No?
Ntabwo nanjye mbizi.
They're gonna do an autopsy on
Sasa
him.
ibi ngibi sasa
Find out.
turibuze kuba twakora autopsy tubashe kuba twamenye icyo ari cyo tumenye ibyo ari byo.
What you wanna tell me?
Wari ugiye kumbwira iki?
Nothing.
Ntacyo wari ugiye ushaka ko nta kintu umbwiye kandi ugiye kumbwira ntacyo ugiye kubona kumbwira.
Never mind.
Yirengagiza nta cyabaye. Sinagiye kuba yamubwira iby'iki na Magnus. Yeah.
That's
Urakora iki mwana?
That's camping bag.
Wajya ufata igikapu cya data nanone.
Told you to stay out of his stuff.
Fine.
Narakubwiye ngo ibintu bya data byose bijya kure.
Whatever.
Ni ibiki? Gira gutya.
Don't go in there.
Mwana ujye mu mwana.
Out of my way.
Nta bundi buryo.
See?
Mike. Gerayo.
What are you up to?
Urapanga ibiki?
Hang on.
Ah.
You got your little
Nkabiceka mwana.
girlfriend in there.
Cyane kagakobwa mwana k'inshuti yawe mwana.
Fine. I'll show you. Just
Mwana nakabikweretse ko mwana nakabikweretse.
please don't freak out.
Ariko mwana uze kuba wanuza gutyo. Kiramutuka.
Whatever.
Byaba byose ariko bisaba kuba kagakobwa karimo. Ndabikwereka. Ngwino mureka hakuno yamuzanye hakuno sasa ni Mike. Muzanye hakuno. Muri kitazo. Kumbe kureba muri cyari cyabonye.
Big secret.
Manje niryo banga rirenza mwana.
Low for plush toys.
Niryo banga rirenza kino gikinisho mwana gikini. Karasa. Yabo kikanga Mike.
Hell is that thing?
Ye uyu mwana mwana nayo.
Oh no.
Ntabwo bizi nanjye.
What do you mean you don't know? You didn't
Ni
check
gutse twaba ntabwo nawo bizi.
the invoice?
Suzuma neza mwana ibi nibiki.
Buy him, moron.
Ntabwo nakiguze kigoryi. Ntabwo nakiguze. Biravuka ni bivandimwe. Icya Dinezoro ntabwo yakiguze.
It's incredible.
Hakuno do baratongurwa n'icya Dinezoro.
Yeah, Mike.
Remember that time
Komeza kuba nakomeza kumurindira umutekano kandi amufite.
when
Mwana uribuka igihe mwana?
fishing with Dad
Uribuka igihe twatuma na data igihe twarobaga?
caught that eel?
Hari igihe tudasanzwe twarobye.
We snuck it home and put it in the bath.
Yeah.
Abirumvikana mwana.
Freaked.
Right.
Mama iki gihe yagize ubwoba mwana. Icyo kintu twarakirabye tugezana mu rugo ariko mama yarakibonye agira ubwoba.